Hey everyone, Mike from Make here, and I've got some good news. Make Volume 77 is ready to go, and it's a good one, although I'll probably say that about every issue that we make. Big theme in this one's machine learning. This is a fast-moving and deep part of the technology world, but there's new software and tools that have come out lately that make it a lot more accessible for makers. Things like Edge Impulse and Tensor Flow and Lobe, ways to train an AI and stuff it into a Raspberry Pi and Arduino. This is all at our fingertips now. And in this issue, we're going to talk about those, how to use them, and how to make some fun projects with them. Things like our cover story, which is an AI nose that can sort coffee and tea or anything else that you train it to identify. We also have a teddy bear that listens for swear words and tweet shames you when it hears you say those bad words. A trash sorting robot that uses Lobe and Raspberry Pi to tell you which bin to put your different pieces of garbage into. And a way to monitor your 3D printer to detect failed prints when you're going to bed in the middle of the night and you're leaving that thing going for those marathon runs. There's a lot more in this issue beyond just the machine learning stuff, including getting the inside scoop on Architect's new mini musical Tesla coil kit, revealing the mystery of the self-solving Rubik's Cube, learning how to get started with digital mobile radio, and 23 great projects, including tracking meteors that enter the atmosphere using Raspberry Pi, modifying a vintage iPod to stream music from Spotify, making an animated light-up skirt with 120 hidden full-color LEDs that respond to your movements, adding some Arctic ambiance to your home with a quick Arduino-powered Aurora Borealis light setup, and much more. It's a solid issue, and it's going live right now. The digital edition's already online. Subscribers should be getting this to their mailboxes right away, and if you're not a subscriber but you sign up now, you'll get this one sent to you, so you're ready to go. Look forward to getting your thoughts about it, so please let us know, and can't wait to see what you're making too. All right, have a good one.